MBSE, learn what is MBSE, MBSE tools, courses and certifications. Learn how does MBSE differ from traditional. How MBSE helps with risk management. What is model-based systems engineering? Model-based engineering example. Systems engineering model. What is MBSE in agile? Definition of MBSE, model-based systems engineering. MBSE is a formalized methodology that supports the requirements, design, analysis, verification, and validation associated with the development of complex systems. MBSE is a multidisciplinary approach with the goal to develop a balanced system solution in response to various stakeholders' needs. How does MBSE help? MBSE helps the engineer to keep track of complex systems, to understand the context and the specification, to be able to fulfill all defined requirements. MBSE enhances the ability to understand, evaluate, communicate, and manage the data associated with the complete definition and specification of a product. MBSE training courses and certifications. Choose Tonex for your MBSE training. Learn what is a system. The design of a system. In what language does a system communicate? Design domains. MBSE major elements and gears. Process specifications. Lots more. Register for Tonex training courses. Request more information. Visit www.tonex.com.